Hi! Today we have something for fans of TV series. Test your knowledge and share your results in the comments. Ready? Here we go. In which series does the character Walter White appear? Breaking Bad. What is the name of the town where the action of Stranger Things takes place? Hawkins. Which series is about a group of friends living in New York City who meet at Central Perk? Friends. In which series did Sarah Jessica Parker play Carrie Bradshaw? Sex and the City. In which series does the character Frank Underwood, played by Kevin Spacey, appear? House of Cards. Which series is about a family-run funeral business operated by the Fisher family? 6 Feet Under. What is the name of the main character in Buffy the Vampire Slayer? Buffy Summers. Which series is about the employees of a paper sales office in Scranton, Pennsylvania? The Office. In which series does the character Dr. Gregory appear? House MD. Which series is set in the fictional world of Westeros? Game of Thrones. In which series does the Bluth family appear? Arrested Development. What is the name of the fictional town in Indiana where the action of Parks and Recreation takes place? Pawnee. In which series does the character Tommy Shelby lead a gang in Birmingham? Peaky Blinders. Which series is about 4 scientists in California, including Sheldon Cooper? The Big Bang Theory. In which series does the character Daenerys Targaryen appear? Game of Thrones. What is the name of the fictional high school in Albuquerque where High School Musical, the series takes place? East High School. Which series is about the British royal family from the post-war era? The Crown. What is the name of the bar where the characters of How I Met Your Mother meet? McLaren's Pub. In which series does the character Monica Geller appear? Friends. Which series is about a group of teenagers at Beverly Hills High School? Beverly Hills 9210. What is the name of the main character in Dexter, who is a serial killer? Dexter Morgan. In which series does the character Michael Scofield try to break out of prison? Prison Break. Which series is about the life of the Soprano family involved in organized crime?
The Sopranos.
What is the name of the character played by Kerry Russell in The Americans? Elizabeth Jennings. In which series do Dr. John Watson and Sherlock Holmes appear in modern-day London? Sherlock. Which series is about a group of people traveling through time to prevent disasters? Timeless. What is the name of the fictional amusement park where Westworld is set? Westworld. In which series does the character Rachel Green appear? Friends. Which series is about the lives of young residents of the Upper East Side in New York City? Gossip Girl. What is the name of the spaceship in the series Firefly? Serenity. In which series does the character Peter Griffin appear? Family Guy. Which series is about a group of women in Litchfield Prison? Orange is the New Black. What is the name of the main character in Mad Men, who works in an advertising agency? Don Draper. In which series does the character Rick Grimes fight zombies? The Walking Dead. Which series is about the lives of residents in the town of Stars Hollow? Gilmore Girls. What is the name of the main character in Scandal, who is a crisis management expert? Olivia Pope. In which series does the character Eleven, who has supernatural abilities, appear? Stranger Things. Which series is about the lives of the Tanner family living in San Francisco? Full House. What is the name of the main character in Veronica Mars, who is a teenage detective? Veronica Mars. In which series does the character Tony Soprano, the head of a New Jersey crime family, appear? The Sopranos. That's all for today. I hope you had fun and guessed as many answers as possible. Be sure to let us know in the comments how you did and share your results. If you have any interesting ideas for future quizzes, feel free to write them in the comments, starting with the word idea. We will be happy to check your suggestions, and who knows, maybe your idea will be the topic of our next quiz. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss new quizzes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.